Hello, my beautiful people. This is Shreya Kaushik, and a very warm welcome to my channel, Unconditional Love. Today, we are going to talk about how to accept yourself in every way. So, as you know, if you're new to this channel, let me tell you that there's a series going on how to tap into your magical self. This is the second part of the video, and if you haven't watched the first part, you can find the link here in the video. So here in the series, we are talking about what is your magical self, what is your real self, what is your real spiritual self, how to accept yourself, how to control your emotions. There are different videos that I'm creating here. So we'll start the video, but before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the red bell icon for any new notification. You are unique. River never says that I don't feel useful, I just flow in just one direction. No, that's her nature. It's not trying to be useful, it's just trying to be a river. Same with the flower. Flower never says, oh, I just look beautiful and I create more beautiful flowers, that's it, I don't feel useful anymore. No, it's just being a flower. And even you, listening to this, watching this, you are unique in your way. Don't try to be useful, try to be yourself. Even everyone out there, they all are unique in their own way. Be valued. It's a human nature. We always want to feel accepted and liked by everyone. We always want to fit in a small group of people where people like us and appreciate us to be in a certain way. That's the thing. You want to be accepted and liked by everyone, even if it takes you to do things that you never want to do sometimes. Reach to a point where others' opinions and thoughts about you will not make you feel sad or down. Reach to a point where you don't want to impress anyone. Reach to a point where you don't want anybody's opinions, anybody's yes or no. That is when you become free and start living your own life. I would say you just be the way you are. Do what you want to do. And then see who's there by your side. And people with similar mindsets and similar interests will find you and they'll love you for who you really are. Embrace your struggles. You know what? You'll be thankful to them one day. You'll be thankful to your past for not that being easy on you. You'll be thankful to the people who were not there when you were struggling in your life. Because all that struggles and all that loneliness and all that strength has made you the person that you are today, that you have become today. So one day, you'll be thankful to all your struggles that has given you a chance to stand up for yourself today. Failures are never the end. Yes, failures are never the end. They always give you another chance to excel in your life. So they put you in a place where you cannot stay for long, and in that way, you'll reach to the very purpose of your life and to the best times of your life. Never settle for less. Yes, it takes a lot of courage to not to settle and keep believing and keep trusting in your desires because you know what you deserve. Keep reminding yourself your talents, your capabilities. You know what they are. Stand alone if you need to. No matter what others are saying and what they're doing, it doesn't matter. It is your life. It is your journey. You need to be consistent. You need to be confident. You need to have courage to do the things that you've always wanted to do. No matter what time it is taking, no matter, there's a divine timing in everything, and you should trust that. You should trust in the universe that it will definitely give you that opportunity that you've always looking for, that you've always wanted. So if you have a mission, if you think what you're doing is right, then you should have the courage to show it to the world. So each one of us has a purpose to exist, and the day you'll find that purpose, you'll appreciate that moment for the rest of your life. So in the end, I'd like to say, you're a warrior, my friend, and warriors, they never lose or win. They always fight back. Always. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the red bell icon for any new notification. Keep swaying on your own beats. You're awesome. Love yourself.